Portland man stabbed to death in bar fight. Taxi operator killed in Old Harbor. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 36-year-old man was stabbed to death during a dispute at a bar in Lower William Street, Port Antonio, in Portland on Friday night. He is Warren Hill, a vector control agent. Reports are that about 9:40 p.m., Hill was at a bar when an argument developed between himself and a higgler from St. Margaret's Bay. It is alleged that Hill pulled a machete while the higgler drew a knife, which was used to stab Hill in his chest. Hill fell to the ground and the suspect used the machete to chop him in his face. He was taken to the Port Antonio Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Old Harbor police in St. Catherine are searching for two suspects who reportedly shot and killed a taxi operator on Saturday night. The deceased has been identified as Lambert Simpson, otherwise called Algie, 51 years old, of Lennonville Road, Old Harbor. It is reported that Simpson had just driven home in his Toyota Probox motor car about 10:30 p.m. when he was pounced upon by men who brandished guns and shot him repeatedly. His attackers then stole his vehicle, which was later found abandoned nearby. The police were summoned, and Simpson was found in his yard with what appears to be gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was subsequently rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The police are yet to establish a motive for the killing.